Okay, we were here last night. We got the sidewinder set up. We got a young red squirrel, pine squirrel. Some feller was looking for that noise. He wanted to see what a young red squirrel sounded like. Last night we had the female in the upper cage. Apparently she was outside when I set the trap. What I'm going to do is do a cage transfer and then just put an excluder on there. I just let him go. That one we had last night, the big one, was a female, so that was mom. This one here is kind of aggressive for a baby. He's trying to bite me. Very destructive. I believe he'd bite me. Get him to chirp one more time, and then we'll do the cage transfer. I think he's just going to be a... Okay. Well, get a cage transfer here without dropping the iPad. Get back. You're going to need that screw gun with a large bit on it, the larger bit. Grab the foam gun too, and a little bit of wire and some snips. I'm trying to not knock the iPad here. Camera. Anyway. What's going on here? Is that it? There we go. There. You order these traps, you want to get back there. Yeah. Okay, now we can run them down into it. Come on. Come on down. There we go. Okay, now he's he's about half grown. Little fillet. Got him in the trap, so alright, I'm going to pull that sidewinder. I don't believe we need a trap on the outside anymore. I'll put an excluder in there and it should take the whole family. Next time we'll be all done.